Welcome! In today's video, we'll walk you through what you can expect in terms of shipping and unboxing, as well as a few plant care tips from our very own Lazy Gardens. Let's get started. Once you've placed your order, our team gets to work right away. We take pride in hand-selecting plants from our greenhouse and individually wrapping each plant with love and care. This process usually takes between 1 to 3 business days. Once your shipping label is created, you will receive an email with your tracking number. After your package is sent out, it will on average take between 1 to 5 business days to make it to you, depending on where you live. To get ready for your new plants, make sure to have pots with drainage, a cactus succulent soil mix, and top dressings if you're feeling fancy, which you can find in our online store. In your order, you'll discover a fun, colorful sticker and a plant care card with basic notes on your plant's needs. Your plants will be individually wrapped, and as you carefully open them, some of the soil that's shifted in transit might fall out a bit, but hey, a little mess is part of the fun. When you're done, take a moment to admire your beautiful new plants. We recommend they get some water as we ship them dry to prevent rotting in transit. Put them in a spot with lots of bright, indirect light, and if you're planning on repotting them, make sure to use pots with drainage holes and well-draining soil. We want to make sure that these plants arrive stress-free and that you're happy with them. If any plants arrive damaged, please feel free to contact us through our website or email so that we can help you resolve your issue quickly. We're so excited for you to start your journey into lazy gardening and hope that you truly love these effortless plants. For more information on plant care, you can check out our other videos here. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!